Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install KB5017383 update on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're unable to download or install it, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to system. Now click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Now click on run over here. So over here you can see Windows update. Click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list. At the end over here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update and set it to automatic. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update once again and then click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Again, make a double click, set it to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. With this selected, again click on restart the service. Now update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now. Now run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Now over here if you see accept and install option, click on accept and install. So if there is any pending update, you can update it from here. You will see the install option. Now still you are unable to install update, then in that case use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft Update Catalog website, and over here again write down the name of the update. So the update is KB5017383. So type in this update over here and then search. Now over here, this is my system, Windows 11 x64. You can check it in settings. Go to settings, go to system, then click on about. Over here, x64 64-bit operating system. So this is my Windows 11 x64 base system. So click on download and then click on this hyperlink. And once the download is complete, run this file and install Windows Update. Install this particular update manually. Now still you are unable to install. In that case, reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Open Notepad on your computer. Type in Notepad in Windows search box. Open Notepad. Paste all the command in Notepad, and then go to File. Click on Save As. Set the location as desktop and name this file as wuauserv.bat. And then for save as type, select all files. Now click on save. Now go to desktop. Make a right click on this wuauserv file. Make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now this will launch command prompt. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. So once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. Now once the process is complete, it will close itself, or you can close it and then restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Now the last step is to use media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to download and install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.